What's good, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is 2026 and you're trying to get massively successful and rich wholesaling real estate. And today I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to have the most success in 2026. Now let me tell you this, I think wholesaling real estate is the absolute best way to get rich and make a ton of money in 2026, right? People talk about all these other ways to make money nowadays, but guys, I think the best way is wholesaling real estate, and I think 2026 is going to be better than any other year that we've had wholesaling real estate. I think we're set up for success this year. So with that being said, if you are in wholesaling real estate already, get ready to make a ton more money this year. And with everything I'm going to teach you, it's going to help you set up your business for the most success. And guys, if you're just starting out, you're a complete beginner, you're starting from scratch, you don't know anything about wholesaling real estate, well, today I'm going to show you how you can get into wholesaling real estate. I'm going to write it all down. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know. I'm going to show you how you can get into wholesaling real estate today, how you can start today and get a deal within the next 30 days and start making money this year in wholesaling. Guys, so you know, when I got started in wholesaling real estate, I was 16 years old. And in just 2 years, by the age of 18, I became a millionaire. So with that being said, if you start today, right? And you start today, it's January 9th today. You have this whole year where you can make $1 million wholesaling, just like I was able to do, guys. So let's talk about it. Let's break it down, right? I got this new setup here, right, guys? And I got it all going down where I'm going to be filming a lot more educational videos. So look out for that, because in 2026, I want to put out more videos than ever before on my YouTube channel to help you guys become successful in wholesaling and make a bunch of money in wholesaling. So I invested a bunch of money in my YouTube channel to create this setup, and I'm going to be pouring information into you guys all year for 100% free. Now let's break it down, guys. But before I say that, right, this is only going to be a 20-minute YouTube video. I hold a 1-hour live training every single week where I teach you for 1 hour, step by step, how to wholesale real estate. So guys, there's going to be a link down below in the description, guys, for you to sign up for my next 1-hour live training where I show you step by step exactly how to wholesale real estate. And if you're already doing deals, I coach you for 1 hour on how to scale up. So click the link down below, sign up for my 1-hour live training that's coming up. But now let's get into it, guys. All right, how to get rich wholesaling in 2026. Now, we're going to be doing the cold calling strategy. All right, now for our marketing, okay? Now, this is how we're going to find our deals, doing cold calling. And now you're probably like, I've heard about cold calling before. How's that going to help me get rich wholesaling in 2026? Well, I'll tell you this. Most people are doing cold calling wrong. When you do it right, you are able to reach hundreds and thousands of homeowners. Now, what is the downfall that most people have with cold calling? Most people are hand dialing with their cell phone, one phone number at a time. Ring, nobody picks up the phone. Type in another number, ring, nobody picks up the phone. Type in another number, ring, nobody picks up the phone. You're going to be spending 10 minutes calling sellers one by one, typing it in, waiting for it to ring before you get anybody on the phone. That is not going to work. You're not going to be able to reach hundreds and thousands of homeowners every single day. So what you need to be using is a multi-line dialer. The one that I like to use is called Ready Mode, because it dials 12 lines at a time. It will call 12 people at a time, and it will feed you the people that answer. So that way, every 30 seconds, you got a new person on the line to talk to. This is how you will reach hundreds and thousands of homeowners. Now, you're probably wondering, well, what if more than one person answers? It'll drop the second call, and once you finish talking to the person that you are on the line with, it will call back that second person. So this is how you're able to spend no time waiting for somebody to pick up the phone, no time typing in the numbers. It's going to automatically do it for you. This dialer costs about $100 a month. Wouldn't you rather spend $100 a month to be able to reach hundreds and thousands of homeowners and speed up the process rather than hand dialing? I know I would. So that is the Ready Mode dialer. I will put a link down below for that. Okay, so once you get this dialer, okay, you're now ready to start cold calling. But the next thing you're going to need is motivated seller data. Well, I'm going to give you some of my favorite lists here. My favorite lists to do marketing to when wholesaling real estate. Okay, my favorite list, number one, is going to be absentee owner. So what do we want to do? We want to pull a list. You can pull a list from PropStream, or you can pull a list from Cole Realty Resource. Both of those providers provide you the data already skip traced. So you're not just going to get the property address, but you're also going to get the phone number of the homeowner, the motivated seller, included. Normally you have to go pay extra for skip tracing. Well, PropStream now gives you unlimited skip tracing for free, and Cole Realty Resource does the same. So We're going to pull an absentee owner list with 10 years plus residence and 20% equity. Okay, so what does that mean? It means absentee. They own the property, but they don't live in it. Okay, so it might be a rental property, a family member might live in it, but it's not their primary residence. You could also layer it up and do vacant. So they own the property, they don't live in it, and they don't rent it out. It's vacant, so there's no use for the property. They might even be more motivated to sell it. But that's just another layer, and that's going to create the list real small. So you might just want to do absentee. Then we're going to want to do 10-year plus residence. Now what does that mean? That means they've owned the home for 10 years or more. And guys, the data shows that when people have owned their home for 10 years or more, they become 70% more likely to want to sell the property, right? So that's why we're doing 10 years plus residence. Also, that means that they've been paying the mortgage for 10 years and the property has appreciated in value for 10 years, meaning that they are probably a high equity homeowner. But also, we're going to make sure they're a high equity homeowner by also filtering on the list 20% equity or more, meaning they have 20% equity. 20%, the property is worth 20% more than what they owe on it. So that means they're a high equity homeowner. Now my second favorite list is simply a 15 years plus residence list. Okay? Now a 15 years plus residence list basically means, look, they've owned the property for 10 years or more, meaning they're 70% more likely to sell, but they also got another 5 years on there. So they've been paying down the mortgage for 15 years, the property has appreciated in value for 15 years, meaning they are most likely a high equity homeowner, and most likely because they've owned the property for so long, they are ready to sell and ready to move. Now once we have this motivated seller data, we're going to go ahead, take that data, and we're going to put it into the multi-line dialer. Now we're going to log into the multi-line dialer and we're going to start cold calling. Now you're probably like, okay, what do I say on the phone when I call them? Well, guys, I'm going to give you my cold calling script for 100% free. If you go to jacobblank.com/free, there will be a link down below in the description for this. You're going to be able to download my purchase contract, my assignment contract, and my cold calling script for 100% free. So that's going to be everything you need to wholesale. You're going to have the purchase contract where you get the property under contract. You're going to have the assignment contract, so when you sell it to the buyer, you can sell it to the buyer, the assignment contract, and then you're going to have my cold calling script. So when you're making the cold calls, you're good to go. All right, so how much time do you need to put into this? Now, I recommend that you spend at least 4 hours a day cold calling. If you spend 4 hours a day cold calling, at least 5 days a week, right? So 4 hours per day, 5 days a week. This is going to get you a deal in 30 days. Boom, we want to get our first deal in 30 days. The average wholesale deal profit is $20,000 per deal. So if we do this strategy and we do it for a full month, we're going to get our first deal. We're going to make $20,000, okay? So I just showed you guys step by step how to have success in wholesaling in 2026. Everything you need to know on how to get your first deal, cold call, use a multi-line dialer, what data should you be targeting. These are the contracts you need and my cold calling script. This is the KPIs for how much calling you need to do each day and how many days a week you need to do it, and you're going to get a deal in 30 days. We just broke that down, okay? Now, how are we going to scale up? Now we made $20,000, right? How are we going to scale up, right? So if you're watching this video and you're already doing deals, this part of the video is for you. All right, now I'm going to show you how to scale, right? We made our $20,000 from our first wholesale deal. Now we're talking about reinvesting the profits. We're going to reinvest the profits to scale, okay? So how are we going to do that? You just made money cold calling yourself. Now we want to go ahead and outsource the cold calling. We want to delegate the cold calling and multiply our time so that way we can spend our time focused on just closing deals with sellers that are already interested in receiving a cash offer, already interested in selling, right? And so how are we going to do that? We need to outsource the cold calling. So we need to hire cold callers. Where I get my cold callers from is launchva.com. Launchva.com charges $6 an hour times 40 hours a week. It's about $1,000 a month per cold caller, okay? So you're basically buying yourself, again, multiplying yourself for only $1,000 a month. what this cold caller is going to do, they're going to call for 40 hours a week, and they're going to get you 10 to 12 leads a week of motivated sellers ready to sell their property. And then they're going to get you in total over the whole month about 40 leads. Now it takes about 80 cold call leads to equal one deal. Okay? So if one cold caller gets us 40 leads, we need to have 2 cold callers to get us 80 leads a month. So if we have 2 cold callers, that'll get us 80 leads a month, and that will turn into one deal. So I recommend getting 2 cold callers. Once you have $20,000 from your first deal, once you have the money to invest, I recommend getting 2 cold callers. You're going to spend about $2,000 a month. Those 2 cold callers are going to get you 80 leads a month, and that is going to turn into one deal every single month consistently. Now, you can spend your time as well while these cold callers are cold calling. You can continue cold calling yourself, but you can also spend most of your time just focused on closing and locking up deals. These cold callers are going to directly submit the lead to you of a seller that says they want an offer for their property. You're going to call that lead up, make an offer to them, and lock up the deal. That's all you need to work on now that you've outsourced the cold calling. So guys, this is how I've grown my whole business. I have 25 callers. I have 25 cold callers. We're here in my Scottsdale, Arizona office. I have a sales team of 4 acquisitions guys, and I have about 5 callers per sales guy. So each sales guy is getting about 10 leads a day, all right? And that is making sure they get 1 to 2 deals a month, and this is how I am making over $100,000 per month. So if you guys want to get rich like me in wholesaling, this is how you do it. You start off with the basics, doing it yourself. You then outsource the marketing and get some salespeople, and you're going to get to $100,000 a month. Now guys, this is my YouTube channel, so I'm only able to go so much in depth here. But like I said, I hold a free 1-hour live training every single week where I show you for 1 hour, I break this all down way more in depth, and I share my screen with you and I show you how to set it all up. So if you're ready to start, click the link down below, sign up for my next 1-hour live training. Also, remember, go to jacobblank.com/free and download my purchase contract, my assignment contract, and my cold calling script for completely free. I hope you guys found this video valuable. This year, I'm taking over on YouTube. I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know. I'm going to put out 4 to 5 YouTube videos every single week, teaching you everything you need to know about wholesaling. And also, guys, I'm going to start a second channel where I'm going to be vlogging my life. I'm going to show you my life. Now that I'm a multi-millionaire at 23 years old, I'm going to show you my life so that way you can get inspired to live the same life. So look out for that. But I hope you guys found this video valuable. If you did, go down below, hit the red button and subscribe to the channel, and hit the like button. And if you have any questions, comment down below. But other than that, I will see you guys next time. Peace.